how to get a YouTube transcript. That's what we're going to walk through right now and show you exactly how to do that. But before we get going, smash that like button, hit that subscribe, and if you like, share, and comment below, I will include this free checklist of there's over 400 AI tools in here. We go step by step on how to set up your AI agency so that you can start making thousands every single month. But let's dive in right away. And so we're going to take a video. We'll just take one of mine. This works with any video. Let's just tell you that from the get-go, because it doesn't matter if the video is yours or if it's somebody else's. But you're going to scroll down and simply hit this more button. There used to be a button over here where you could hit these three little dots, and it would give you an option to get a transcript right there. But they moved it down, so you have to click on the more button. I'm not sure why they did this. And then you can see here that it says show transcript right underneath the chapters here. And then if you go up to the top here, you can see the transcript. It looks really junky, the way it looks. But let me just show you a few hacks to make this thing look really killer. First of all, if you want to take out the timestamps, hit this three little buttons and toggle timestamps off. And then basically you just go down, and if you just want to copy this whole transcript, you can bring it into ChatGPT and let's see. We don't want that top part. I'm not sure why that came in there, but we're just going to do a copy and paste, and then we're going to head over to ChatGPT and we're going to tell it to write this YouTube transcript neatly. We'll just say that. That's how you talk to ChatGPT. And so it should start kicking it out. It's cleaning it up. So welcome today. We're diving into Google AI with Gemini 2.0. And it gives you the links. It says start to record. Recording in the bottom left corner. So that's how we walk through that. And so it literally bullet points everything. And this is the exact transcript. But it rewrote it and cleaned it up just really, really nice. Because I remember I did this video and this guy Puck, Sharon instead of Puck, I remember that at the end of this video. So that's how you do it. It's just a really cool feature. And if you have any questions, leave them below in the comments. And remember, hit that like. And I'm trying to hit 10,000 subscribers. And I'm close, so hit that subscribe. I appreciate it.